Well, hot damn. Would you believe it? We got a solution. Bet you can't believe it. We got a viable solution here. So I needed a 3/4 inch spacer. Well, I guess it really didn't need to be 3/4. It could have been shorter. I guess it could have been shorter by quite a bit. It could have been shorter by, it could have been 5/8, I guess. But that's what I had. Yeah, I think it was supposed to be 5/8. I'm not going to complain. You can complain. I'm not going to complain. It's done. She's done. I'm done. So, I'll slap some wheels on this thing and let's call it a day. And of course, we'll need to get the tank caddy on. And actually put it on facing the right way because the handle is not there. And the tank caddy part is on this side, which is correct. So I actually did something right for a change. So I'm not gonna let it go to my head, but I'm happy that that actually worked out. So gotta get the wheels on and caddy and put all of this crap. Look at all this crap. Yeah, that's a lot of crap. Get all this crap back in the cart. Getting there. 1 inch at a time.